Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, September the 1st. Let's go through our positions here. As of this year, we have a loss of $4,294. Okay, not very good, I suggest, but we will continue on trading this way because we never know when the market could increase the implied volatility and things could change very quickly. Here's a chart of the SPY, and as you can see, the market is in an upswing, so we will benefit from up moves the way I see it for a while. Okay, let's go through our positions here, starting with Apple. Go to the analyze, look at Apple. Let's put a weekly chart so we can better see. It's moving strongly up. Let's see, daily chart. It's moving strongly up after correcting after earnings, and I think it probably will go to test the highs in short order. Let's go to the Analyze tab, and you can see that, first of all, what is the trade doing? Let's hide the simulations, and as you can see, we have a little bit of a profit, and you notice that the price is above the smiley face, the lower apex of the smiley face, if you can call this line such a thing. And that means that we could roll up. You can see that our calls are 175 strike price, and the current price is almost 190. We have 6 long calls and 3 long short calls. So that means we have 3 outstanding calls, all of which we could sell, and without any concern about being out of margin. So let's just say we would sell one. If we were to sell, analyze, close, sell, and if I sell one, this is just the same trade, okay? Okay, if I sell all of them, it changes completely the character of the trade. But if we sell one, okay, so sorry about this interruption. So we have this, change this to just one, sell one of the calls. Because this stock is above the smiley face, it changes the character of the trade. Okay, look at it here with the sell, without the sell. If I sell, then it neutralizes my delta, makes them negative. Okay, you can always roll up, but since we are very, very close to the smiley face, I give it one more week, and then we can do the rollover. Okay, let's go to Adobe. And in this case, we have very similar situation. A delta is near neutrality, and the price of the stock at the smiley face. These options, September options, expire next week. So we could sell the call, keep the put, or we can roll over both. I'd say let's roll the call. Analyze rolling. And what do I roll it to? Well, a month from now. Okay, so October the 6th, good enough. I'm sorry, I need to do this again, September the 8th to October the 6th. And that will give me $10.50. Okay, and that's a rollover, and you'll see what it looks like. The deltas, without it, deltas 3, with it, deltas 22. So yeah, why not? If you want to see what the resulting trade really is, hide this position and just show me the simulation. And yeah, we have made good money on this trade, so let's keep it up. So I do my confirm and send here, and as soon as it gets filled, we will consider rolling up that outstanding call. We'll get back to that. Let's go back and look at Amazon. Here's my trade. This is negative. Things have not worked out very well for this trade, and we have an expiration in September the 8th. We're losing money here, and we have a week to expiration, and I say enough. Okay, so we say analyze opposite. We have $1,000, $1,600, and I say I don't want to lose anymore. I don't think it's going to get better, so then I close that position. And it's a hard decision to make, but if you say we have 1 week to expiration and we have a loser, I don't want to roll it over. I close the position. Let's go to Google. And this we have also a profit. Okay, that was the Amazon closing. We don't have it anymore. In this case, Google, we are positive here. So in this case, yeah, I could do a rollover here, October the 8th. So let's do a rollover. And we're gonna do the calls and the puts because we're close enough to the middle here. So select both and say analyze rolling. And it's a double diagonal. And so in this case, what I'm doing is I'm closing the September the 8th puts and calls and say the same amount expiring on October the 6th, and that gives me $324. And this trade is going to change. It becomes more delta positive. So after that happens, we could always sell a call. So let's do that. Let's do the rollover first. And then when that gets done, we can adjust. Let's go to Lend. Let's make sure we have the same thing. Okay, I see September. Okay, in this case, I sold the calls only. Okay, one call, we see that. Let's do this here. You can see the rollover from September to on the put, and the stock since has gone up. And now the call is right here. Hey, that turned out to be a lucky thing because this is my trade right now. We'll go back to Adobe in a minute. Here, it's time for us to also roll over the call. And now, fortunately or lucky for me, it went up enough to be above the strike price. So I did that just great because I have sold the put when it was lower, and now I get to sell the call, meaning roll over the call when the stock is above the strike price. So analyze rolling. And what am I going to do? I'm buying back the September 1st and selling the September the 29th. Okay. Why do I need to do that? Well, because it's above 120. So there is intrinsic value on that option. And if I don't buy it back, the September one here, I will get a sign. So I don't want that. So I'm gonna get $1,245, and the trade will look quite different, like this. And you can always sell a call. Let's say 2 to expiration here, and then we can see exactly what. Oh, it's got this purple color that is hard to see. I don't remember how to alter this. You could change this color, but it's a very fine purple line. That's the expiration. Okay, we'll come back to that when this stock, the trade is filled. Let's go to SCHW. This is my trade, and let's put it this way. 1 to expiration. That's my current trade. And you can see that I have 12 puts, so I have been taking profits, 16 calls. and the September the 8th, we could roll those over if we've been making money. So let's hide position. This is my trade right now, and that's a loser, so I'm gonna get out of it too, okay? And this is my selling order here, and I'm gonna make sure that it creates a fine line, straight line. No, it doesn't. 12 puts. I'm not sure if it is profitable or not. I'm gonna have to go to the monitor tab and look at what we have here. See, I have done a number of changes already. So I sold 2 calls and then 2 again. And if you see here, it says 14. So let's erase that. 14 and 16. So I didn't account for this last one here. Analyze trade, and that reduces my cost by $7.18. If you say create duplicate order, confirm and set. I'm not doing this, but just so you can see, say multiple accounts, then I can say that there are 2 lots in this trade. So because I sold 2 puts, I can easily just subtract the number. And this is what we do. We reduce the puts, 1, 2, and this guy, 31.27 minus 17.15. 7.15. Let's repeat that. Here we go. This is my trade, 31.27 minus this sale that I did of 2 puts minus 7.15. The resulting price is 24.12. 24.12. Here, okay? That's a new trade. And I can delete these, delete that, and then I say analyze opposite, just to see if this is a loser or a winner. It is a big loser, so try to get out of this, all right? How much have I lost? Hide the position and just show the simulation. Yeah, we have lost quite a bit of money, so sad as it is, we need to say goodbye to this. It's not gonna make us any money. If you want to confirm that, go to the monitor tab and look for Schwab here, right there, and look for P&L for the year. It's a loser, but not as bad as I thought it was. Tell you what, let's copy all these trades and then we'll see what we have. Let's disregard all this because I don't trust it now. I must have made a mistake. So let's copy all those. And this one here. Okay. Here is 680. Yeah, it's a loser, but not as big as I thought. So in either case, I think it's time for us to get out of this. And because it's next week expiration and I'm not gonna roll over a loser. Analyze closing, double diagonal. And then alter this to make it similar, so identical rather. So let's disregard all this. And show all. In my cell, I'm going to look, it should look exactly like this. So custom, the long calls, we have 16. The long puts, we have 12. And this, oh, this is all completely wrong. Okay, 16, 12, 8, and 8, and that would erase my trade. There it is. Okay, so we are going to get some money back. And my total, today is a good day for this trade, but I don't want to prolong it anymore. Okay, so let's get out of that one. And then finally we have that's United. Okay, so let's delete everything or erase everything and just put the current trade. 15, yeah. This is another loser by 639. Do I need to roll over? No, let's give it one more week and then close the trade, okay? It might jump, it might decline strongly, who knows, okay? And that's all for today. Let me go back to the trades that we have corrected. Let's go to the monitor tab, activity and positions, and then we can see these are closings. We have done, I'm waiting for Len to modify. Let's go to Adobe, okay? Adobe Analyze Trade. Okay, here's Adobe. In this case, I did a simple rollover of calls, but now my deltas, this is my trade, my deltas are 21, it's not too bad, but it's above the smiley face. I could take a profit by doing a roll up of my 520 call, the one outstanding call. So I'm going to modify that, analyze closing or analyze rolling, just one of them, because the is the one that is outstanding. You see 2 long calls, 1 short call, the difference is 1, that's my outstanding call, and I'm going to roll it up, closing the October 520 and buy another one, October 20, but this time let's put it up to 560, the current stock price, and I'm going to change this to October the 20th, and that gives me 2535 times 100, that's 2,535 in credit, and you can see now my deltas become neutral right there, see? So worth doing it. Always try to neutralize your delta because you don't know where the market is going to change directions. And then I'm waiting to do something similar. I'm waiting for the rollover. Or am I? This should have filled because the credit I'm asking is below the current strike price. So I'm going to wait a little, but I would do something very similar. This Len, you can see that what we have is this. Once it gets filled, it will look completely different and probably let me just show you. If I do this like that, well, now it looks like a little delta 19. Yeah, I'm going to leave that alone. You can always sell one call. We have 6 here. Outstanding, only 3. We can sell 1, we can roll over the 3, roll them up, that kind of thing. Okay, but we'll do that next week. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. See you next time. Bye-bye.